Okay, I just wanted to do a part two because I guess some of the video on my last one was a little bit fuzzy or out of focus, so you can't really redo an unboxing. But anyway, this is the back of the Eagle Pad. This is the front of it, or the actual top side of it. And here's my Eagle, my unfinished Eagle, by the way, so don't think that's my final product. It's in progress right now. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good size for that. All right, and it goes this way or this way. That's about right from what I remember. So there you go. A little better view on the actual pad itself. Not too bad. Not completely screen accurate, but very good representation of the show. All right. Till next time, guys.